Welcome to our STEM and robotics adventure. Today, we're diving into Tinkercad, a free online tool for building circuits, designing 3D models, and exploring exciting projects. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an account on Tinkercad. First, let's get started by creating an account on Tinkercad. Head over to tinkercad.com and click on the Sign Up button at the top right. If you're a student, you can join using Google or your school email. Or if you're an educator or just want to learn, you can sign up with a personal email. Once you've entered your details and confirmed your email, you'll be taken to the Tinkercad dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now that we're inside, let's explore the Circuits section. Click on Circuits from the drop-down menu. This is where you can design and simulate all kinds of electrical projects. On this screen, you'll find the workspace where you can drag and drop components like wires, LEDs, and resistors from the panel on the right. We'll explore these features and how to build circuits in future videos. Stay tuned.